Yo, what is up, everyone? If you work with Power BI, you've probably noticed this already. AI is showing up everywhere, not in just Power BI, but in analytics in general. People are asking to write DAX, explain reports, answer business questions from their data. And a lot of time, the numbers are wrong. And it's not obvious why these numbers are wrong. It's very subtle. And in analytics, that's the most dangerous kind of wrong numbers. You ask what seems like a simple question. You get a total that looks reasonable. Looks like the numbers you expect, but a filter is missing, or time intelligence is off, or it refers to a column or measure that doesn't even exist in your model. And the answer sounds so confident. AI is always confident. If you ever use it, it's like, oh yeah, Patrick, good job. And the explanation sounds smart, but the model misunderstood the semantic model. And once the trust is broken, it doesn't matter how nice your report looks. People always want to make these beautiful, visually compelling storytelling reports. But if the numbers aren't right, ain't nobody gonna look at that pretty report. Here's the key thing that's easy to miss. Analytics is not conversational. Analytics is semantic and governed. When we say something like total sales in Power BI, it's not just a phrase. That's a measure with logic, with filter context, with row context, with time context, with a defined grain. Natural language is ambiguous. Semantic models are not. I like to say a lot of times, and I think I took this from Jay-Z, or a rapper, numbers don't lie. People do. So when we prompt AI casually, we're giving it ambiguity where analytics requires precision. When we prompt AI for analytics, we're not asking for language, we're asking for logic. And so most prompting advice online is designed to create tasks. Things like brainstorming, summarizing, or writing content. That kind of prompting, it's open-ended and forgiving, right? It's very forgiving. Analytics is the opposite. Analytics needs to be constrained, deterministic, validated, governed, auditable. In Power BI, measures matter more than columns. Models matter more than tables. Definitions matter more than descriptions. If you don't tell the AI what it's allowed to use, how it should calculate, and how it should validate the result, it will make assumptions. AI will hallucinate. And that's where analytics break. What we're going to do here on Guy in the Cube, I'm spending some time going deep on prompting for analytics from the perspective of Enterprise Power BI and Microsoft Fabric. I'm not trying to chase the hype, but I'll be showing what works, what fails, why it fails, and how to put guardrails around AI. This is about using AI in analytics without breaking trust, semantics, or governance. Really important topics. So if you've tried using AI with Power BI and something broke, I want to know. Let me know where in the comments below. Tell me where the numbers were wrong. Those real world failures are what I want to break down in future videos. And if you care about doing analytics responsibly in the age of AI, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all the future videos. In the next video, we'll look at exactly why AI gets wrong numbers in Power BI. And as always, from Adam, Martha, and this guy, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.